Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a stable power state and recent backups. Do that now so you can experiment safely. Once done, restart and use the correct boot key or menu for your OS to enter safe mode. This isolates third-party apps so you can test behavior. Make sure to note which apps you suspect before proceeding. This step prevents system changes from causing data loss and gives you a clean environment to diagnose app-related problems without background interference. Once in safe mode, open one app at a time so you can see exactly how each behaves without other services running. This isolates the cause. You should check permissions, storage, and whether a recent update coincides with the issue, because those often explain faults. If an app misbehaves, force stop it and test another. Uninstalling temporarily can confirm if that app caused the system fault. This methodical approach narrows problems quickly and reduces guesswork. After testing, reboot normally and reinstall or update only the apps you trust, making sure issues didn't return. If a problem persists outside safe mode, clear the app cache or data, then test again because residual data can cause repeats. Should nothing improve, contact developer support or prepare for a system restore. Safe mode isolates apps but won't repair corrupted system files. One key tip: if apps work in safe mode but not normally, look for a startup service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.